Today we're going to show you how to make the Lison pouch. It's a zippered pouch in our beautiful velvet. Cut out the two sides of the pouch and the tabs flush with the printed parts, making sure that you keep note of the marks. Heat seal the fleece onto the back of the lining fabric and cut out the pouch pieces in the lining fabric, making sure that you transfer the marks. You also need to cut out the tabs in the lining fabric, but they don't need interfacing. Now take the lining tab piece and sandwich the zipper end between the lining and the velvet tab piece, stitching across. Do this on both ends of the zipper. Fold the tabs back and press, and now find the centre point of the zipper and mark it. Match the centre point of the zip with mark A and pin along the zip with the slider against the velvet. Moving the slider out of the way as you work can help you get around the corners. We've used clips, but you can use pins. Now stitch along, keeping the curve nice and smooth. We find a tool can help you keep the zipper against the velvet. Now take the other side of the pouch, match the mark to the centre of the zip and repeat the process, clipping or pinning and then stitching along. Now take your lining piece and with the fleece facing you, match the marks with the opposite side of the velvet. So the zip should be hidden in a sandwich between. Clip and pin and stitch along. Now turn the pouch over so that the lining side is facing and you can see the zip, and repeat the process, matching the mark to the opposite side of the zipper, clip or pin and stitch along. Now making sure that you've left your zipper halfway open, turn the pouch over so that you have velvet on one side and lining on the other. Matching up your seams and your corners, you now want to stitch the small sides from the corner to the zip, both on the lining and the velvet side, the bottom of the bag, the bottom of the lining, making sure you leave a hole, and then the other side, again starting from the corner and sewing up to the zip. Now to make the corners of the pouch, you need to open up the fabric and match up your hemlines. Flatten out the seam allowance, clip or pin. Repeat this for all four corners and then stitch them. Now you need to turn the pouch right side out through the hole that you left in the lining, making sure that you push out all the corners. And then the only thing that's left to do is to close the hole that we left in the lining, either by a few hand stitches or machine stitch across. And there you have a perfect little pouch, ideal for makeup or perhaps a manicure set. You can find it on our site.